Good day, sir. I'm Christopher Buena, and today I will be presenting my mobile application, which is called the Shark Classifier. So, it is developed using Flutter. So, Flutter is a framework that allows us to create cross-platform mobile application. So, Shark Classifier is designed to identify different types of sharks using images. So, the application utilizes image classification and artificial intelligence to give users fast and accurate results. So, to give you an overview about this mobile application, which is the Shark Classifier. So, Shark Classifier allows users to upload or capture shark images using their mobile devices or mobile phones. So, once the image is uploaded, the application processes it using trained AI model to predict the type of shark. So, the predicted shark species is displayed on the screen along with relevant information about the species. So, through this, it allows users to learn more about sharks interactively. So, without further ado, let's proceed to the demonstration of this app, the Shark Classifier. So first, we have this button, the start classification rather. So we're gonna press it, and it takes us. As you can see, we have a camera here. So first, let's search for a shark. So we go. So we have here different classes of sharks. So first we have a basking shark, black tip shark, bull shark, dagger nose shark, dogfish shark, great white shark, brown shark, hammerhead shark, lemon shark, mako shark, nurse shark, tiger shark, whale shark, and white sharks. So that is my different classes of shark. So first, so first we're gonna try the capture. We're gonna capture a image of a shark to test if it is accurate. So we have here different image of shark. So we're gonna go try this one. So you can see there's a picture, it's an image of a shark. So we're gonna capture it using its camera. So the result is it is classified as a great white shark with accuracy of 92.0%. So next we're gonna try the image imported from the gallery. So let's test it. We're gonna press the gallery. Let's search for a shark. We're gonna press this one, and we're gonna test it. So as you can see, it's classifying. So the answer is the same as well. It is classified as a great white shark with accuracy of 92.0%. So that's it for our demonstration of our mobile application. And now let's proceed to our questions, the given questions. At this point, I'm gonna answer the following questions. So the questions given to me is question 6, 2, and 7. So first, I'm gonna answer question number 6. So the question is, can you explain the widget structure you use for homepage, especially in implementing the card style or grid layout for displaying all identified classes? So my answer is, for the homepage, I used a grid layout with Flutter, grid view.builder to display all identified classes in card style format. So each card is a card widget containing an image of a class and its label, styled with padding, elevation, and rounded corners for a clean look. Let's proceed to question number 2. So for the question number 2, what challenges did you encounter when exporting the trained model, and how did you integrate it into your Flutter application? So to answer that question, when I'm exporting the trained model, I face challenges like large file size, compatibility issue with Flutter, unsupported layers during conversion to TensorFlow Lite, and ensuring proper processing for accurate predictions. So that is my challenges I faced for the question number 2. And last question, question number 7. So, can you explain the widget structure you use for homepage, especially in implementing the card style? So lastly, question number 3. So, how do you ensure that the homepage layout remains responsive across different screen sizes? So my answer is, I ensured the homepage remains responsive by using Flutter's flexible layout widget like grid view.builder and with sliver grid delegate with fixed cross-axis count, combined with media query to adjust spacing, padding, and grid item sizes based on screen dimensions. So this approach allows the cards to resize and reposition dynamically, ensuring a consistent and visually balanced layout across different devices and orientations. So that's it for my presentation. Thank you, sir, and have a good day.